Back in April of this year, the U.S. Senate passed a bill that restored the Subchapter V of Chapter 11 debt limits to $7.5 million for small businesses. That bill also increased the Chapter 13 debt limit to $2.75 million total, including both secured and unsecured debts. This was popular bipartisan legislation that fixed a problem after the CARES Act pandemic relief law expired in March of 2022. The debt limit increase bill was passed by the U.S. House of Representatives by a large margin on June 7th. The bill now goes to President Biden, who is expected to sign it. This law will have significant positive consequences for both chapters of bankruptcy, which is why both Republicans and Democrats supported it. Debt limits matter because they determine whether a small business or a consumer debtor is eligible for these simpler and less expensive types of bankruptcy cases. The other types of bankruptcy almost always end up with higher expenses, longer time frames, more complexity, and other problems. Chapter 13 and Chapter 11 Subchapter 5 plans are part of our toolbox at WM Law, and we're excited to continue guiding our clients through these processes to reorganize their debts. For more information, visit us at www.kansascitybankruptcy.com or call for a free consultation with one of our attorneys. At WM Law, we are here to help.